2019 Audi A8 Quattro engine size 3.0 Win DL. How to replace new alternator.
Thấy giống bên trường vậy thôi. Đầy đủ hả?
First time you remove the rider bell and remove this bow here. Remove the hole and the hole. Remove the extension. Whole alternator. Check the sim to a new alternator. Number alternator SF033A02. Check to make sure the same to insert for the new alternator. Insert for the alternator. Tightening this bolt. Bolt. And hole here. And on top the hole. And this bowl hole here. The corner, this one. And extension.
Check it out when you check the signal the pump. When I turn the key on, I start, make sure the pump
And digital island here.
it all smooth.
Final alert. Your Google Business verification status is set to
And digital the rider bell. Thank you watching video. If you like to support for me, thank you. Next time I put euro, I'm appreciate when you support for me. Thank you.